We're outside looking at the Kohler 7000 generator on the Georgie Boy, and we've got a couple of items here that we want to make note of. So we've got our Hobbs meter, and we're at 437 hours today. Kohler 7000. This is the start switch. These are the breakers in case one of the air conditioners breaks. They'll pop over and go to the off position. Simply turn the air conditioners off, slide them back to the on position, turn them back on one at a time. Fuel filter right there never fills all the way up. Usually it's about half or lower. When that gets dirty, we obviously replace it. Oil dipstick, pretty easy. So you just give it a couple of twists, and very basic dipstick shows you that there's oil in there. You can actually see the oil level right to the top. Just changed the oil about 10 hours ago actually. Pretty basic. Air filters right here behind this cover. It's got a wing nut here and a wing nut there to be loosened. Spark plug right on top. There are two little items on the carburetor that can be kind of funky and give us problems with big temperature swings. This is your automatic choke that pops up and down. This little cylinder that's hard to see with the wire attached to it is your electronic choke. So if you go to start the generator and it doesn't quite want to start, it wants to run and not really kick over, all you have to do is just give this a little touch. Oops, sorry, move my sausage finger out of the way there. You give this wire a little touch and slide this piece. Let this electronic choke move a little bit. It gets sticky sometimes with the temperature changes and sometimes doesn't want to start. Your start switch is right here. There's also two start switches inside the RV that you'll see in a moment.